Hi, I'm Andrew Suriella, and Joe Napoli and Joe Najafi and I are about to run outside in our boxers during a snowstorm. We just did it once, but I taped it like a retard, and yeah, it's snowing out. You guys can kind of see that. If you look up closely towards the streetlights, you can see the snow coming down. This is Joe Napoli right over there, and that's Joe Najafi with his sling right there. That's Creepy Boy, as we like to call him. And yeah, just gotta make sure my boxers are buttoned up. They are.
Yeah, I don't have a button on my boxers. I need to change them.
He doesn't have a button on his boxers, so he's gonna go change them. Now, we already did this once, to remind you.
Help me this.
And I have to help Joe Najiffy Lube with his sling right now. Alright. Woo! Jesus. Alright. Helping him with the sling now.
Just get it down.
Get it down.
And then put it around.
And my friend just IM'd me saying, "You're a fucking retard."
Thank you.
Because I told her about what we were about to go do for the second time. No, that's my friend Natasha from fucking Rhode Island, who's going to school in Rhode Island right now.
We're about to go fucking outside naked.
Basically, we are all in boxers. Joe's in new boxers. Those are
those are Texas Hold'em
outside.
Huh? I guess we're gonna be smacking each other outside. Smacking each other? With the gloves.
No smacking.
All right, come on, boys. All right, this is us going outside again.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Joe is a stupid, silly fuck. I gotta have another drink before I do.
They actually want to do business within China, and so obviously being there, they.
All right, I just drank some more Jim Beam.
Let's go.
All right, we're going to do this.
All right.
Do you have your card?
Nope.
Definitely taking a piss in the snow.
We would definitely have just got locked out of the building.
Yeah, we gotta piss in the snow.
No pissing. We gotta wait till we get back inside.
Is it gonna be like that?
Just watch Joe adjust his boxers.
Steady.
Yeah, steady this time. Fuck it up. How long can you take videos in this time?
Quite a while.
Very nice.
How you doing?
Hey, they play football over Northeast.
Are we?
Yeah, we're ready. It's fucking cold. Son of a motherfucker. Daddy. He's got this kitty. Oh yeah.
How you guys doing?
Oh yeah. I think it's about time.
Holy shit!